What's up, y'all? We are off again. It's another weekend, so this time we are heading to Cedar Creek.
Cedar Creek State Park.
State Park, yes.
It's up near Glenville, West Virginia.
All right. We got Little Miss back here with us. So it's me and these two princesses.
Our tiny tag-along. Princess trip!
And one servant.
One servant.
Wish me luck. Oh, good morning. We are here at Cedar Creek State Park. Let's see what it looks like. Show you our site. We are site 46. Gorgeous sites up here. These sites are power and water hookup only. This morning for breakfast, we're doing pancakes. So we have regular pancakes, cinnamon pancakes, and cinnamon banana pancakes.
And homemade peanut butter syrup.
Peanut butter syrup.
And regular syrup.
Alright.
Store.
This is the camp registration, check-in, and the camp store.
They've got a little
And stickers.
What do they got?
little free library. Book exchange. Put in by the Girl Scouts. Take a book, leave a book.
Take a book, leave a book. How?
You literally just, if you have books with you that you finish or don't want to read anymore, you put them in here and pick out another book you want to read. It's actually pretty well stocked. Oh, it is a cute little store, huh? Good morning. How are you? I'm good. I'm sorry. Good. Oh, how cute. That's what. 47.
Cedar Creek General Store.
I like this one.
You like this store better because it has stuffies? You used to have a big old stuff snug, didn't you? So why is it that you liked the old churches we toured better than this one?
Because it's not school.
Because you hate school.
Alrighty. So now we went and played and done a bunch of other stuff, had lunch and all. Now it's time to do a little bit of work. First thing we'll do is a couple upgrades. First one we're going to do is we're going to change out this lock and put that keypad lock on. Right here. New lock in place. You got the keypad, your actual key if you want, And it has a remote. Got the fire going. It's going good, even in the rain. See what they're doing. What you doing over here?
I am making corn on the cob, and we're gonna make you grill it in the rain.
It's been raining all weekend.
Can't rain all the time.
Morning.
Day 2 at Cedar Creek.
Yeah.
Cedar Creek. We have a whole extra day. Normally we are up and gone on Sundays before the sun to get home, but we are not in a rush today, so we're going to hang out this afternoon and probably leave after lunch. Hey little sister,
Yeah.
what's happening over here?
Uncle Dick's braiding my hair with piggy tail braids.
Piggy tail braids?
And I'm playing with Bella.
Is that what you asked him to do for you, was piggy tail braids?
Yeah. Because I like piggy tail braids.
How's that going, Uncle Dick?
Oh, you can be the judge when I'm done, because I don't know.
I think you're doing a fine job, sir.
What are you making?
Water of the day, if you want to be TikTok-y.
Water of the day?
Yes.
All right. So what's the water of the day?
Well, Gracie's is a cherry blue raspberry slushy water. Yours is cherry pineapple blue raspberry. And mine's a pineapple pina colada.
All right. You want to know what I just found out today?
What you just found out today?
We've had this camper for a little while now. So what I didn't know, I always hate this where it goes up against my door. I did not know it done this.
What the one? It always leaves like the stuff. Oh, because you don't do that.
Yeah, see, and it stays right there.
The stuff against the door.
Yeah, it used to leave a mark on the door.
From this.
Right there,
You can
you
even
see
see
it.
where it rubs off. But this doesn't touch anything now. Genius.
I know.
So, did you tell them what we almost did?
No. You want to tell them?
Yeah. So, we drove over here to the dump station. And I went in to do the inside stuff while he's dumping. And I realized we left our entire 5-gallon jug of water on the counter unsecured. Sure did. Can you imagine the mess that would have made? This is why you do a double person walkthrough before you leave, guys. What'd you get?
Peanut butter sundae. Meaning she didn't like it.
It's very peanut buttery. So we're at
Peanut
Custard
butter.
Stand, which is a West Virginia local business, and they make the best hot dog chili. They have it on the store. They also have like 24 flavors of sauce.
It's in Flatwoods, West Virginia.
I think there's more. But
This
this
one's in
particular
Flatwoods.
one's in Flatwoods, but I think there's a few throughout West Virginia.
Join us next time as we take Willow on her first week-long road trip. See you in DC.